Welcome students. Today we are going to start our revision video from lesson number 7 part first allergy. Students, in this revision video we will see that what is mean by allergy and which chemical is responsible for this allergy, and you will get the answer of the third question about the roots entry of the allergens. Introduction about this allergy. Many times I have the allergy of this food, particular food. I have the allergy of this particular cloth. I have the allergy of this particular medicines. So the concept of this allergy was originally introduced in 1906 by the Venice pediatrician Clemens own Percute. After he noticed that some of his patients were hypersensitive to normally harmless substances such as dust, pollen grains, then some foods. Then he understood that this hypersensitivity is nothing but the allergy. He called that hypersensitivity as an allergy, which in Greek word the meaning of this allergy is in Greek word is the other word. All forms of hypersensitivity were classified as allergies, and all were are throughout to be caused by an improper activity of the immune system. The immune system is not properly working. The reason behind that only the allergy is taking place. Hypersensitivity is taking place. Allergies, also known as allergic diseases, that there are a number of conditions caused by hypersensitivity to the immune system to something in the environment that usually causes no adverse effects to most people, but some other are getting infected. The reason behind that, students, only when the immune system is not proper, that time these symptoms are showing. These diseases include hay fever, dermatitis, asthma, food allergies. So they are showing, some persons are showing, all persons are not showing the allergies. The substance that cause allergies, that is called as a allergens, and the different people are allergic to the different allergens. Allergens are the different substances. So few common allergens are the pollen grains, then dust particles, then insect sting, type of clothes, some particular food. So the person are showing the allergies to that particular substance. So the reason behind that, the improper functioning of the immune system. So different peoples having the different types of allergy. The symptoms appear due to the part of the immune system affected. Binding an allergen to basophils. Basophils are the type of white blood cells, and these cells ultimately release an inflammatory chemical that is called as a histamine. Causes an allergic reaction and symptoms like inflammation, skin rash, and constriction of the bronchioles, so as in asthma. Allergies are common in the developed world. About 20% of people are affected by allergic running nose. About 6% of people have at least one food allergy, and about 20% have allergic dermatitis. What is the meaning of dermatitis, students? Skin infection at some point in life. So depending on the country, about 1 to 18% of people have asthma. Rates of many allergic diseases appear to be increasing with increasing number of fast foods, fabrics, pollutants in the environment, etc. So students, nowadays the fast food varieties are increasing very fastly, and due to this fast food also different types of food allergies are causing in different person. And due to the cloths also, different cloth varieties nowadays going on. So that due to the different varieties of these cloths also, the people having the allergies, cloth allergies. Then pollutants are also there, different types of air pollutants, then water pollutants. So they are also giving the infection to the person. So skin allergies nowadays it is going on. So these are all about the allergy. So now students, we are going to start our next topic about the entry of this allergen in our body. How the entry is taking inside our body. So students, now you understood about the allergies are causing in different substances. So that substances, how they are taking the entry in our body. So that topic is our now entry routes of the allergens. The first one is the skin, entry routes with the help of the skin. The substances that come in contact with the skin, such as latex, certain types of clothes, then insect bites, these are the common causes of the allergic reactions. So due to that only the skin are showing some sign and symptoms of the allergic reaction. So with the help of the skin, allergens are getting the entry and our body are showing some sign and symptoms. Second entry route of allergen is mouth. A wide variety of foods can cause allergic reactions. Students, now just I told you about the wide variety of the fast food. So all fast foods and all people not getting that allergy of this fast food. Some people are having the allergy of some particular of that food. But 90% of allergic responses to foods are caused by the cow's milk, soy, then eggs, wheat, peanuts, fish and shellfish. Some particular people having the particular food allergies. Other food allergies affecting less than 1% per 10,000 population may be considered as a rare cases. Occurrence rate of this food allergy in between adult and children are different. The milk protein allergies are most common in children. Approximately 60% of milk protein reactions are immunoglobulin mediated, with the remaining usually attributable to inflammation of the colon. Some people are unable to tolerate milk from goats or sheep as well as from cows, and many are also unable to tolerate dairy products such as cheese. Roughly 10% of children with milk allergy will have a reaction to beef. Beef contains a small amount of protein that is present in cow's milk. So due to this also students, allergy is there. Some persons having the allergy of particular dairy fruits. So some having the cheese. They are not eating the cheese because they are having the allergy about this cheese. And the third common entry route is the nose. Pollen grains, then dust particles, then spores and certain chemicals are also, they are finding the entry through the nose, and this can be triggered continuously sneezing, coughing, then running nose, itching of and watering in the eyes. So these are the signs and symptoms of these allergies after getting the entry through the nose. So students, allergy routes today we have completed the three. The first one is the skin, second one is the mouth and third one is the nose. By skin allergies, always remember students, particular cloth, different types of the cloth. Mouth, when we are eating the different types of the foods. The third, nose, pollen grains, pollen spores, then dust particles, some chemicals, they are causing the allergies. The next topic from this allergy is the anaphylaxis. What is the meaning of this anaphylaxis? When the person is showing the severe allergic reactions, that time that condition is called as a anaphylaxis. So what will happen during this anaphylaxis? Let me explain about the anaphylaxis. During anaphylaxis, multiple organs affected. For example, it including the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system. These all are affected due to the anaphylaxis. Depending upon the rate of the sensitivity, anaphylaxis can cause local skin reactions also. Students, if we will see that an area of skin redness greater than 10 centimeter in size, that is called as a local skin reactions. And the rashes are there sometime on the skin, sometimes swelling or inflammation within the skin, that are the sign and symptoms of the anaphylaxis. Now, the sometime bronchoconstriction, low blood pressure, etc. These also sign and symptoms we are observing. So students, that's why we are calling this anaphylaxis is the severe allergic reaction. Here our respiratory system is also affected, then circulatory system is also affected, and the digestive system is also affected. So this type of reaction, severe type of reaction, we called as a anaphylaxis. Now students, I am going to explain one chart for you. This table will make your study very easy. So types of allergies, then types of allergens, and which are the symptoms showing this particular type of allergy. So students, one by one I will explain. First one type of allergy is food allergy, and the name of allergens are the milk. So the milk is showing the allergy, that sign and symptoms, vomiting, hives, that are the sign and symptoms for milk allergen. Next food allergy is the wheat, and the symptoms are stomach upset,
eczema,
asthma, that bronchospasm symptoms. And the third one is the seafood. The symptoms are the vomiting, anaphylaxis in severe cases. We learn students anaphylaxis. Next food allergy is the nut. Symptoms are vomiting, red rashes on skin, and itching of the skin. These are the sign and symptoms of the food allergy. So food allergy, name of the allergen we learn and the symptoms. Now the second one, seasonal allergy. The first one is the spring allergy, spring season. So name of allergens are the pollen grains, you know, as flower begins to blossom, and the symptoms are sneezing and sniffling. And the second summer seasonal allergy, the allergen is pollen grains. Symptoms are very often people are sensitive to pollen allergic reactions, persist in summer too. Same reaction. The third seasonal allergy is the winter allergy. And the allergens, pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, which is present in the smoke, common in the northern cities of India. Symptoms are coughing, itchy eyes and nose, sneezing, running nose and watery eyes. Students, here we completed the second type of allergy, that is seasonal allergy. Third one is the dust allergy, and the allergen are the dust particles, and the symptoms asthma. The fourth type of allergy is the drugs allergy. Name of allergen is penicillin, and the symptoms due to the drugs allergy, diarrhea, nausea and hives. So students, these are the types of allergies, allergens and symptoms. Thank you.